Data volumes are exploding with an unprecedented speed today. We receive data non-stop from various sources such as control systems, sensors, and smart devices in the Internet of Things. The rate can be overwhelming. But how we manage such large volumes of data is up to us. Civisoft's ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit is here to make your data work for you. No matter what your industry is, from manufacturing to healthcare, education and training to finance, you can use ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit to unlock your data and get valuable insights. Let your data serve up from shop floor to top floor to get improved decision-making, optimized performance, reduced risk, greater competitive advantage, and higher profitability. With ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit, you can manage the data flood and extract the right information to make smarter decisions anytime, anywhere. You can easily integrate your existing system with ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit to get consolidated data in a single, secure cloud environment. To achieve excellence, you need insights. ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit lets you easily capture, consolidate, access, and analyze massive volumes of data from multiple sources. These are the core modules of ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit. Extract data from various sources through Data Ingestion module and discover patterns with Exploratory Data Analysis module. Use Data Pre-processing module to transform the data and configure different machine learning models. Train and cross-validate the model findings. Finally, visualize and analyze the predictions using graphical representations using output visualization. You can apply machine learning algorithms such as supervised and unsupervised algorithms. Some popular algorithms that can be used off the shelf are linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, K-means, CNN, etc. With ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit, you can carry out trend analysis with the past data, compare data related to various features, or apply machine learning algorithms for predictive analysis. ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit lets you maximize the use of your data and get factual insights to make smart decisions. With easy-to-use analysis supported by handy visual aids, industry-approved predictive analysis models, customized alerts, and loads of actionable insights at your fingertips, you and your team are sure to make better and faster decisions to achieve operational excellence. What's more, you don't have to be a technical expert to take the benefit of ServiceDx Machine Learning Toolkit. It's a completely no-code machine learning toolkit. Besides, there are loads of other benefits. So, start today and get the most out of your data.